front here, guys. But just to let you know, the lifts, they install lifts, maintain lifts. Yeah, check how dirty I am. Laksa.
Para, 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 para. Ela vem pelo faro, para. Ela vem pelo faro, para. Ela sempre do lado, evitando esses falsos. Ela vem pelo faro, para. Ela vem pelo faro, para. Ela sempre do lado, evitando esses falsos. Com a minha bag do lado, por isso carrega esse fardo. De ser cobrado pelo que faço, por esses otários. De ser lembrado pelo que faço. Ela vem pelo faro, para. Ela vem pelo faro, para. Ela sempre do lado, evitando esses falsos. Eles não têm amanhã, posso tirar essa gana. Eles não têm amanhã, escuta minha música e ensina. Eles não têm amanhã, posso tirar essa gana. Eles não têm amanhã, escuta minha música e ensina. Eles não têm amanhã, elas me querem na cama. Não. Eles não têm amanhã, elas me querem na cama. Evitando esses falsos. Ela vem pelo faro, para. Ela vem pelo faro, para. Ela sempre do lado, evitando esses falsos. Para.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hey, check it, guys. Ek like die Alcantara. Ja, hierdie ding sit laag. Okay. So guys, apparently this car shoots flames, so I'll arrange so we can get a shot of the flames tonight. We'll see. Yes! Sounds so good. So good. Guys, we're at our favorite spot. We're gonna go to the rooftop here. I don't think we'll make too much noise, but you never know. It is an Audi after all. At least it's not that low, so we can make it up the ramp here. Yeah, we're in Bracken City. I hope we don't get kicked out, but if it happens, it happens. Yo. Yeah, the security's like, oh, these guys are gonna make cock. Check a 60s even on a rooftop. It's probably got an auntie there. so as you can see, Dylan is a boertjie. He's driving with pluckies. Security's waiting for us. They're gonna be like, this guy. We're leaving anyway, we might as well, guys.
Just one.
Just a little one. Yo. Hey. It's just the right amount. Just the right amount. Karen's looking at us. They're like, check it, these bloody clowns. And we're not Polo drivers, it's an Audi, guys. It's the Polo driver that went to Wits, or that studied a bit. He pissed the people off at Mug and Bean. That's why I won't drive an Audi, man. The old people are like, what the hell? The old tiny. That old tiny just pulled her face. Yo! That sounds beautiful. Yeah, I was there once for Copsies. This thing sounds awesome, guys. In the 70 lane, guys. We promise you, because look, if we were doing more, the cops would stop us. Oh, there's no cops, what do you know? Yo. Sounds beautiful. I wonder how many old people are going to piss over this thing. Hey guys, someone probably skipped a light. What the hell? They're mooring each other though. Oh my soul. Welcome to SA. Someone get a MMA fight here on the way to where you want to go. We got a fight. Let's see how we got the robot here. A long weekend, guys. I look some mooring each other here. Check here. I don't condone violence, but if there's a free show, why not? Someone ook in a suit. Yeah, maar you can't park here. Yeah, but what? Check this guy. Let's see what we can get there. Smile, you on YouTube. Now this is explaining. Yeah, I was driving like this, and then like this, and then whappa, poof, kak, hier so kak. Yo, I'm gonna catch it. Ja, Auntie kom uit die pad uit, hulle gaan mekaar nou bliksem.
The Auntie is furious.
You never know what you're gonna find in the SA.
Typische truck driver.
Oh well. Check it, there's a wheel. Yeah, bro, that's a lot of camber, eh? Well, that's tow, yeah. Granny Suit's checking us. Hey! That ties us in sy moeren. Hey, pal, that's a bit low. You can't park there, sir. I hope they're okay though. We're just mooring each other earlier. We missed the fight though. Could have had some popcorn, man. At least we got. This one doesn't have pops and bangs, otherwise I would have said we would have had popcorn. Here we go, guys. Tunnel time. Yay. Yo. Yes, boy. Hey, we got a boop boop. Gotta watch out for these damn Polo drivers, tricky. You never know, these Polo drivers drive like hooligans. Okay, now gaan ons back na Karakom. Guys, they were mooring each other really there. Like, I don't want to film that, because if there's kids watching, it's not good. Back to boosting. That's why we boost. We don't moor people, we just moor cars. Back in Brackenhurst. We'll terrorize the neighborhood a bit. Sorry, Auntie Karen. Yeah. Boosting. Boost Sundays. Here we go. parking, yeah. The English has failed me. Ja. Too much noise. Yeah, what's really modern? But I want to get the clean car dirty. So, Dylan doesn't want to speak English because he doesn't want to make a fool of himself, and I respect that. So guys, this is Dylan. This is his S3 hybrid with a ball bearing turbo.
Yeah.
It's got a couple of mods on it, but just to let you know, the lifts, they install lifts, maintain lifts. Yeah, check how dirty I am. Lux. So they handle all like the lifts for malls and all of that.
Yes.
So that's why he drives this car, guys, because he works his ass off late nights, Monday to Friday, or even weekends.
Sometimes Saturdays and Sundays.
So hard work pays off, guys. So if you want to drive S3, work your ass off, guys.
Yeah.
So there you go. But yeah, keep working hard. Thanks, Dylan, for bringing the car. This thing sounds
Pleasure,
beautiful.
man. Thanks for washing the car. It looks beautiful again.
Ja, ek moet net nie kak maak nie, want ek wil weer terug kan kom.